Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the keyboard and microphone so speech becomes text. Open your keyboard settings and pick Gboard or Google Voice Typing as the active input. This gives you built-in speech models that run locally or in the cloud. Make sure the app has microphone permission and any battery optimizations are off, because restrictions can cut audio input. Once done, open a text field. You'll see a microphone icon. This first actionable step connects your voice to the typing engine instantly. Now you'll use the mic to dictate. Tap the microphone icon and speak naturally. Short phrases and pauses reduce errors. The engine transcribes in near real time. You can say punctuation like period or new line to shape sentences and name common emoji to insert them. If you need another language, change the keyboard language or add voice languages in settings so the model matches your accent. Make adjustments as you go. Correcting a small word trains you to refine pronunciation and phrasing. Finish by editing and saving your text. Tap any transcribed word to correct it manually or use voice to redictate a phrase. Formatting is faster with the keyboard. If recognition drops, clear Gboard cache, update or reinstall the app, and confirm microphone access. Make sure you test with and without network. Cloud recognition is more accurate, but offline models work without data. If nothing helps, reboot your device. One key troubleshooting tip is toggling microphone permission to reset the audio pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.